In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install WoodMart, that's Multipurpose WooCommerce theme. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this theme. After purchasing this theme, you go straight to my dashboard. Here's my dashboard. Then for my dashboard, I go to appearance. These are the ones that are available, and this is the default theme. That's why it is written customize. So next I click on add new theme because I've got my theme, so I need to upload it. Then next, upload theme, and click on choose one. Okay, download Mart. So here is it. I click on open. Next, install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use link in description to buy me coffee. Then next, I click on activate. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So next, let's start. Next step. So install Shite theme. Next step. So let me select this, but I prefer to use this. After that, I click on next step. So install and activate, or please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So after that, I click on next step. So let me import this. The next, I click on next step. Everything is ready. View home page. We have successfully installed our theme. Yeah. Now, as you can see, I've successfully installed the theme. Very beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use our affiliate link in the description to buy me coffee. To install the script, please use the hire me link in the description to help you install the theme. Thank you.